Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ijin Senpai. Today we're unboxing the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max in blue titanium with 256 gigabytes of storage. Let's dive right in and see what Apple has in store for us this year. First, let's take a look at the box. It's sleek and minimalist, as we've come to expect from Apple. The front shows an image of the phone's back, highlighting that beautiful blue titanium finish. Notice how the Apple logo is embossed, a nice premium touch. Alright, let's open it up. I'm pulling the tab and lifting the lid. Right away, we're greeted by the iPhone itself. It's nestled snugly in its tray. Wow, this blue titanium finish is stunning in person. Let's get this beauty out of the box. The blue titanium color is subtle yet distinctive. The titanium frame not only looks premium, but also makes the phone lighter and more durable than previous models. And check out this camera setup. It's clear Apple's putting a lot of emphasis on photography and video this year. The bump is slightly larger than previous model, hinting at some serious photography and videography upgrades. The phone feels incredibly solid in the hand. Let's take a quick tour around the device. On the front, we have the stunning 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display. On the back, you'll find the triple camera system, featuring the new and improved sensors for better low-light performance and higher quality photos and videos. The Pro Max model is slightly larger than the standard Pro, which means more screen real estate for watching videos and playing games. Now let's see what else is in the box. We've got the USB Type-C to USB-C cable. That's right, Apple has finally made the switch to USB-C on the iPhone. There's the usual paperwork and Apple stickers. No surprises here, there's no power adapter or earpods included, continuing Apple's eco-friendly approach. Time to power it on. As it boots up, you can see the beautiful Super Retina XDR display in action. The colors are vibrant and the blacks are deep. Let's quickly run through the setup process. And we're in! The dynamic island is still here, looking smoother than ever. And check out the always-on display. It's subtle but super useful. Swiping through the interface, you can really feel the responsiveness of that 120Hz promotion display. It's buttery smooth. The iPhone Pro Max also comes with the latest A17 Bionic chip, ensuring smooth performance and efficient power usage. And with 256 gigabytes of storage, you'll have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos. So there you have it, our first look at the iPhone 15 Pro Max in titanium blue color. My initial impressions. It's a solid upgrade, especially if you're coming from an older model. That titanium build feels great in hand. The display is top-notch, and I can't wait to really put these cameras through their paces. I'll be doing a full review and some camera comparisons in the coming days, so make sure you're subscribed to catch those. If you enjoyed this unboxing, give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what feature you're most excited about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.